In this quick demo, we'll show you how to add members to your business account on Cherry Trader. Step 1. Click on your profile. Step 2. Scroll down and click Members. Step 3. Click the Invite button. Enter an email address of the person you would like to add to your business account and assign a role: manager or yard manager. An invited member must first create an individual account. After the invited member creates an account, they will receive an email with the option to accept or decline the invite. That's it! You have successfully invited members to join your account. You're ready to buy or sell on Cherry Trader.